You didn't know? Here we go. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'm pretty excited right now. I mean, I just came across, well, I didn't just come across, I've been working on this platform called Digistore24, and it's a rival to ClickBank. It's really bigger, as big as ClickBank, but it's a German company. They're the largest German affiliate marketing network. Actually, they're probably the largest in Europe. And back in November 2019, they opened up offices in the United States and are starting in the United States. And so it's fresh. There's not a lot of affiliates going on. ClickBank is saturated with affiliates. There's such a low barrier to entry to affiliate marketing, so it doesn't cost a lot of money to get involved and get started. So with that being said, the reason being is there's too many people on ClickBank. Every video is about ClickBank and how they can make money on ClickBank and what products to use on ClickBank, and everybody tries to do the same thing with the same stuff and the same ads and the same everything. Okay, so when something new comes out, you need to jump on it right away. So Digistore24, you really should get on the bandwagon and get going right now. It's when something is new and it's as big as this. When something is big in another country and they move to the United States, it's a boom. Just like when Builderall moved from Brazil to the United States, there was a boom. Okay, but Builderall is the most complete digital marketing platform out there, and there'll be a link down in the description for a trial. But I also have an affiliate marketing course you could take if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing and want to know. There's a free course down there. It takes about an hour. There's 5 quick videos, and it'll teach you how to do this affiliate marketing if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so jump right in. We're going to go right to Digistore. Okay, here we are in Digistore, Digistore24.com. Okay, so where I should move to that I'm out of the way. So you can profit from Digistore. Okay, all you got to do, well, if you have your own products, if you're trying to sell products, these are your advantages here. Advantages for you as an affiliate: high commissions. It's all digital. It's not all digital, but digital products have the highest commissions. Okay, so highest commissions, payment always on time. Now they pay with PayPal. Okay, now that's a big plus. If you don't have to have a bank account with all these other affiliate networks, you have to have a bank account. You have to give them information for your bank account. With Digistore, they pay you every week to PayPal. Okay, conversion optimizations, recurring commissions. Okay, they have, what that means is there's products that every month people have to pay. They're recurring commission, recurring payments, right? Recurring commissions is what they call it. It says it right here. One-click upsells. So upsells are, you buy this for $1 or $2, and then they put you in the funnel, and they're trying to sell you something for $50, $100, $200, $500. Okay, so the one-click upsells makes it easy. The newest and the best products. Now, like I said before, ClickBank is saturated. The same products, people are going by gravity. I've done it too, but that's the way to do it, right? So everybody's searching by gravity or popularity or percentage of sale, and everybody's getting the same products. Okay, so just imagine how many people are learning affiliate marketing, how little money it takes to get started, and how many people are trying to make money doing the same thing that you might be trying to do with the ClickBank products. Okay, well, I've said enough about that. Here we are in Digistore. So, name your company. You don't have to fill that out. Your address, country, phone number. You have to have the phone number. Skype name. Now, I didn't have to talk to anybody Skype. I got approved right away with no problem. You have to sign up for their newsletters, and you register for free. Okay, so it's that simple. They're not asking for banking. They're not asking for anything heavy. Okay, and let's see now. We can go right to the marketplace. Okay, let me go over here again. If you're familiar with ClickBank, or if you're new to affiliate marketing, over here on the left is all of the niches. Now, what's a niche? Do you want to know what a niche is? If you don't know what a niche is, ask me a question in the comment section below, and I'll make a comment. I'll make a video on how to find a niche, okay, and what a niche is. But I think everybody knows what it is. It's an activity, a hobby, something that has a following. Okay, there's a group of people that do the same thing, that has a following that you can market stuff to. Okay, so betting systems, business investments, they have it all here. If you're familiar with ClickBank, it's the same kind of stuff. All right, now the second one comes up. We're looking for sort by sales rank. So you got the overnight millionaire, okay, he's got 92% commissions, okay, 92% commissions, and he's converting. If you go down here, card conversions at 10%, all right, he's got a cancellation rate of 12%, but your earnings per sale is $45. Okay, so this is like a make money online niche product. So if you have a make money online mailing list, you can start pushing this. Or if you have a website that's ranked for affiliate marketing or for making money online, you can do this. Or you can use Facebook ads or Google ads and try and sell that. Okay, now the HSV eraser, the best on the market, 75% commissions over here, earnings about $40 per click, right? Card conversion 17%, pretty good. Single payment, 75% commissions. Okay, sales rank is number 2. Now, what does the sales rank mean? Sales rank is it's number 1 in fitness and health, number 2 in digital products, and number 2 in all products as far as its sales rank. Okay, so this product is the HSV eraser, which is gets rid of herpes. Okay, now here's a hint: affiliate marketing. You have to have a pain, you have to have a problem, and you have to have a solution. You have to have an audience, right? A niche that has a problem, and you're going to present a solution to the problem. That's all affiliate marketing is. You're going to match them up. Okay, so you're going to look for people that have herpes, and you're going to help them to get rid of them with this fabulous product. Okay, so they have over here a sales page and an affiliate support page. So I think this is the sales page. Okay, they have a video and a buy now button. All you do is drive traffic to here. You're going to get what's called an affiliate link, which is got your ID on it, so that when you send traffic to this website from your link, they're going to know it's you, and you're going to make $40 every time someone buys. Okay, so let's go back over to here. Now we got the sales page. Now the sales page, affiliate sales page, is going to have all kinds of goodies for you. Going to have images, going to have email swipes. An email swipe is the body of the email. The sales copy has ads. Some of them have ads, some of them have videos. Some of them, just if you've done ClickBank, it's the same kind of thing. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it's all of the stuff that you're afraid of. Okay, that's holding you back. All the creative stuff that you say, and I can't do that. The affiliate sales page has that stuff for you. And all you have to do is put it on whatever platform you're using and whatever ads you're using. Like I said, I use Builderall to build my websites and my email marketing. The sales page is the key. The affiliate sales page is going to be all the tools that you need to build, and it's that easy. Now, if I go over to Builderall, like I said, has all of these apps. Okay, 30 apps. All right, and they got the Cheetah. They got website builders. Okay, over here they got email marketing. How to build an email list. If you want to know how to build an email list, leave me a comment below. And if there's enough comments, I'll make a video on how to build an email list for free. Okay, a high converting email list that converts highly for free. Okay, leave me a comment and I'll be glad to do that video. So these are the tools. Now I made a website. Okay, so this is a template in the Builderall platform. Every platform, they all have templates. Okay, this is a squeeze page, a landing page, a sales page, a lead capture page. Okay, we're going to capture someone's email. Now up here, you can type whatever you want. You can change the font, you can change the colors, you can get creative. Okay, you've got up here, you can put your own logo if you have one. You can go to Fiverr, have a logo made, and you can change the color to the header and the footer. Just fill out below, and we'll be sent to the video showing the results, and they'll put their email in here. Now that's the key. Okay, you're going to get their email. If they don't buy the herpes product now you have their email, and you're going to email market them the herpes thing every 2 days for the next month. And if they don't buy after that, you have them on your mailing list for the rest of their lives until they opt out. And if you don't abuse them, they're not going to opt out. If you only send them an email a week, email a month, or whatever, a couple of emails a week, you'll keep them forever. And that's how you build a quality email list of high converting sales traffic. Okay, so here's the template. Now you got a template. Now what do you need this for, right? Because if you're going to use ads, why can't I just take the ad and send them straight to the sales page with my link? Well, because it's against their terms of service. You have to have a landing page in between the ad, whether it's Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever, Bing ads, okay? But you have to have a landing page in between, and you want the landing page in between so you can collect their email, okay? You collect their email so you can retarget them and remarket to them over and over again, because as we know as marketers, people don't buy on the first exposure. They're going to wait, maybe 7 times, they say up to 7 times before they're ready to buy. Now you want to be that 7th guy. So you're going to expose them to the product here, and then the next 7 emails you're going to send them, you're going to give them the pluses and the reasons why they need the product. And that's the whole idea. All right, so now you've got your landing page, you've got your product, you've got the new platform, Digistore24, that's really going to, you have low competition. This is new products, good products, and we're ready to go. So what do we do now? We're going to use Facebook ads quickly. Okay, I'm going to run through quick because I don't want to waste people's time. So you get an ads manager account. Okay, you got to have a page. Okay, you can make an ad set name up here. I'm not going to change it. You can make it anything you want. You can do traffic to websites. Now you can change all of these things here. You can create it. If you have an audience saved, you can change the location. You can change the ages. Okay, you can change the demographic. Okay, you can go. Let's say the herpes, you may not want to do 65 and over, right? So you may want to do 18 to 30 or something like that, right? So then all genders, you can what's called split testing, where you would send half of it to female traffic and half of it to male traffic and see which ones were converting more. And then you would figure out where you want to spend money on ads, to all males or all females or both. Okay, detailed targeting, you can put demographics in here, and let's say it's somebody that has acne, right? So somebody that has acne, you can turn around and click that. That would be like a keyword that they would show to people who are talking about acne. I'm just using that as an example. I don't even know if people with acne would need herpes, but I'm just, maybe. But whatever you would decide would be the herpes audience, that's what you would put here, or whatever your product is, obviously, okay? So, of course, there's always still more options. Now, placements, they say automatic, but you don't want automatic because you don't want it everywhere. Okay, you don't want your ad to be shown everywhere. So you got Facebook, you got Audience Network, you don't need that. Instagram, you want Messenger, so you want the news feed, Instagram feed, Facebook Messenger. Okay, you don't need all this other stuff. You don't want to spend money on where there's no traffic, right? I mean, you may want to test it. You can always test it. I would tell you to test everything, split test everything until you figure out what works. The whole thing here is everything can change the outcome. Okay, the product, the ad, the headline, the image or video, the copy. Okay, everything has to be right. Okay, for it to work. You get everything right, and then you're a successful affiliate marketer. You don't give up. You test these things. You tweak stuff. You figure out what's working until you get something that's right. And then, believe me, it's not easy, but it's not hard. It's not difficult. You can learn it if you put the time in. Okay. Now, you're going to optimize for link clicks. I'm going to go over a couple of things quickly. I'm going to stick to the end. I'm going to show you how much money and how you're going to make money. Right? Stick to the end. Okay. So we're going to go to the next page. I'm running through this quick. If you watch some of my other videos on Facebook ads, I go deeply into how to choose audiences and how to do all that kind of stuff. So subscribe to the channel. There's so much information on ads and audiences and keywords and everything else. So now, like I said, you had to have a Facebook page attached to the ad. Okay. Then you would create an ad, or you could use it as an existing post. Single image of video is what I usually use. Okay, now you would of course add it, and it would be over here and show you a picture of it. Now, of course, depending on your niche, You're going to want different pictures with faces. You test things, cute puppies, different things like that, things that sell. Okay. Of course, there's terms and services. You can't use sex. But you're going to figure out your image. Okay. You're going to get an image or a video. Some sales pages, like I said, have images already, and they may have videos already that you can use in your ads. Okay. Now your primary text, you got a headline. Headline is something that's going to grab their attention. It's going to grab their attention and stop them from scrolling, so they're going to check out your ad. So the headline is very important. And you're going to test the headline. You're going to split test different headlines to figure out what's working. If you want to know more about how to pick these things, leave a comment below. Say, I want a video on how to choose headlines and images. Okay. So that's that. Then you would put down here in your website URL, you'd put your landing page. Okay. The display link, and you'd go in. Now, ads. You're going to send clicks to the website. Okay. So you're going to send 1,000 clicks to the website. The average conversion rate is 3 to 5%. Okay. Let's say it's 3%. So we're going to times that by 0.03, 3%. Right. Of course, that's 30. So out of 1,000 clicks, at a 3% conversion rate, you're going to make 30 sales. Now, what do we say we're making a sale? $40. So we're going to times that by 40. So we made $1,200. Now, how much are we going to spend on ads? Okay, how much are we going to spend on ads? So I didn't pull up my ads manager, but an average is between 30 cents and $1. Okay. So it's $300. Okay, so 1,000 clicks at 30 cents is $300. I should have figured that out in my head. It was much easier than what I just went through. Okay, so for $300, you're going to get 1,000 clicks. And for 1,000 clicks, right, what did we say we were going to make with 1,000 clicks? 30 sales. And with the 30 sales, we're going to make $1,200. So that's how you're making money with affiliate marketing now. But how to get the 3% conversion rate is by tweaking your ad, because maybe when you first start, you may get 0 conversion rate. Okay, so you're going to have to split test, figure out what's working with the headline, with the copy, with the body of the ad, with everything. Could even be the product, could be the audience that you're sending the ad to. Okay, you got to test everything, and when you get everything right, you're going to be a millionaire, an internet millionaire. Okay, so stick with the program. Take the free course in the description on how to do affiliate marketing. Subscribe to the channel. Sign up for Build the Rules 14-day free trial. Get started. I mean, don't be afraid about building web pages and landing pages. It's the simplest thing. I can show you. I have many I have many videos on building websites and how to build websites, simple landing pages, and how to convert. Okay. So that being said, subscribe to the channel.